Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with gel polishes, dip powder, and those fun dotting tools from Sundara Nails to create a super cute St. Patty's Day mani. We are going to be making a set of press-ons today. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and apply that gel base to the entire nail, and then we'll cure that, and then we'll go in with those beautiful gel polishes, and then we're going to do some fun nail art. I'm going to create a little pot of gold, and then we're going to add some extra glitter to that by using that dip powder, the Grand Affair. All right, so let's dive into this gel mani process, and then I will pop back in a few moments when we dive into that nail art. Alright, so let's make that little pot of gold nail art. So we're going to start out by using some black gel polish and some dotting tools. I'm going to use the medium-sized ball that is in this dotting tool pack from Sundara Nails. And I'm just going to go ahead and create a circle. I'm going to start the circle out small, and then I'm going to go ahead and make that circle bigger as we go. I'm going to take my time making sure that I'm not rushing, and I'm just getting to build up that product on the nail. I don't want it so much on the nail that it has like a 3D effect. I want it more of a flatter circle to the nail. So I'm really moving that ball point to make sure that that gel is really flat to the nail. And then I'm going to go ahead and flip that dotting tool around, and we're going to use that finer side and put those little legs on the pot of gold like you saw there. They're just little dots of lines just for the legs, and then that pot of gold kind of has like that rim, and I'm just gently making a line right across, and voila, there is our little pot of gold. It's super cute, and you know what? It was really easy to achieve. And if you do mess up, it is only gel, so before you cure it, you can wipe it off and start over. Now, what does a pot of gold need? It needs a little extra sparkle. So instead of going in with a gold gel polish, I decided I was going to add some actual glitters to the pot of gold to make it even more of a leprechaun-y sparkly effect. So I'm going to go in with the gel base, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the entire nail, and I am not going to cure that. And then I'm going to take that cuticle precision tool, and I'm going to go ahead and hand place some of those gold glitters all over the area where that pot of gold is to make it look like it's filled with actual pot of gold. And I had so much fun creating this mani. This was a really fun one. I normally stay away from nail art because I feel like I'm not good at it until I got these dotting tools from Sundara Nails. Now I know every time I use these I talk about them, but they are by far the best dotting tools I have ever used, and I'm completely obsessed with them. They just feel so sturdy in the nail, and I feel like I can really get good control of the nail art that I'm doing. Now, I'm the kind of person for drawing, I can draw a stick person, and that's pretty much it. So I was super excited when I did this little pot of gold, and it was just really fun to change it up a bit and do some nail art. And so right now I'm just going to go ahead and continue grabbing those little pieces of gold glitter, and I really like how that turned out. And once I'm satisfied with the amount of glitter that is in that little gold pot, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then that is it. That is how I made that little pot of gold on that nail. So that other nail is looking a little bare, so I wanted to add some more sparkle to this mani. So I'm going to go ahead and apply gel base to this accent nail right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and hand place some of those gorgeous glitters onto this nail. So I'm going to start out by placing a row of the larger glitters on there, and then I'm going to fill it in with these smaller gold glitters. And you can really much place these glitters wherever you feel on the nail, and that's the best part of doing our nails at home, is that we can take our time and really place those glitters wherever we want. And if we want to add more or less, the options are endless when you are doing your nails at home. All right, so let's continue this mani process with hand placing some fun sparkle to this nail, and then I will pop back in at the end of the mani. Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super cute, and that little pot of gold is really adorable, and I think it is the perfect touch to a St. Patty's Day mani, something different than a shamrock or a little leprechaun. The pot of gold was really fun to do, and it was actually really easy to achieve, so I definitely recommend trying it out. And I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on sets at home as well. Don't forget to check out Sundara Nails. All the products that I use today are HEMA free, so if you do have a gel allergy or anything like that, Sundara Nails is definitely going to be your go-to shop for HEMA free gel polishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.